How does Monavie Reveal help you manage your weight? There are hundreds of weight loss programs. Some are based on low calories, some on low carbs, and some on low fat. In the meantime, obesity rates continue to rise. But Monavie Reveal is based on a very important weight loss principle that many others seem to ignore.
Virtually all studies that have demonstrated long-term benefits from a healthy diet have been based on getting the greatest nutrient density with the least number of calories.
Monavie Reveal has all 3 levels of nutrients that you need from food. Macronutrients, which are carbs, protein, and fat. Micronutrients, which are vitamins and minerals. And phytonutrients, which are found in antioxidant-rich foods. Most of us don't have a problem getting carbs, proteins, or fat, but it seems to require more effort to eat nutrient-dense foods. Deep greens have the highest nutrient density, followed by other vegetables. Fresh fruits are also high in nutrition for each calorie, and so are raw nuts and whole grains. If these were the only food you ate, you would be amazingly healthy, and you'd lose weight. You just would. There'd be no stopping you. Sometimes it seems like the tastiest foods have the lowest nutrient density. Red meat is low, and even fish and poultry are low compared to fresh fruits and vegetables. White bread has almost no nutrition, but is high in calories. In fact, it's pretty much the same as eating dessert. One of the challenges is that meals with low nutrient density are convenient and fun to eat, while the super healthy stuff requires more planning. But what if you could get food with high nutrient density that is easy and tastes great?
So the first thing we did was we literally scoured the earth. We looked at every food ingredient, every food concentrate, every botanical, every compound that we believed could play an important role in weight management. But first and foremost, what we believed and what we've created is a suite of products that provides the greatest amount of nutrition with the fewest number of calories.
This suite of products is called Monavie Reveal. It has high nutrient density, it's convenient, and it tastes great. Try Monavie Reveal as a way to increase the overall nutrient density of your diet.